Welcome to the demo of Phoenix, a tool for automated data-driven synthesis of repairs for static analysis violations. Phoenix learns from big code, such as GitHub, as to how people repair bugs. It fetches previous commits from big code, runs a static analyzer to obtain violations, and applies a violation tracking algorithm to collect repair examples. It leverages state-of-the-art programming by example techniques to learn generic, high-level repair strategies in a domain-specific language, which are used to generate suggestions to help developers repair bugs. In this demo, let's assume a developer is a part of the team developing the flight reservation system of an airline called Nimbus Airways. When you click the search button, the system gives you a list of flights that matches the given search criteria. Now suppose the developer implements a new feature in an IDE. Then a built-in static analyzer reports 2 new bugs. Unfortunately, developers tend to ignore such bugs, mainly due to lack of actionable suggestions from the tool. If the bugs are ignored, they will eventually cause serious problems. As you see, an internal error occurred due to the bugs, making the site completely unusable. Now let's use Phoenix to fix the first bug, a null pointer exception, likely crashing the application. To use Phoenix, you can simply click the bug you would like to fix, and select Run Phoenix. It brings up the Phoenix window where developers can browse the description of the violation and the repair suggestions. Finally, clicking Apply button applies the suggestion to the code. Now let's take a closer look at the Phoenix interface, using the second bug, which requires a more sophisticated fix. The first section shows an explanation for the violation, and the second section provides one or more repair suggestions. This time the Phoenix suggestion is a non-trivial, comprehensive fix that changes multiple lines of code. The last section further explains the suggestions, by presenting examples of similar repairs mined from GitHub. In case developers are not confident about the suggestions, these examples serve as a hint as to how other projects have repaired similar violations. Once they become confident, pressing the Apply button will deploy the suggestion to the actual code. Finally, all the bugs have been repaired and there are no violations reported. Now the system is back to normal. By using Phoenix, the developer could repair a serious bug, thereby preventing loss of business. Thank you so much for your time.